Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you in 3 minutes how we did this image during our Pro Club workshop at PHOTIGY School of Photography. I'm Alex Koloskov, the founder. This will be a short tutorial, but it will be a good for those of you who is not in Pro Club yet but want to repeat the shot and want to understand. So what you need is this. You need to have some sort of rubber. I was using this Encapso. Encapso, it's sort of like an epoxy, but it creates a rubber. And the result is this. It forms very nice pieces that it's easy to cut, it's easy to break it, and it looks like clear, really like an ice. That is awesome thing about it, okay? So we had a little plate where we put this, and overnight, boom, we have this bottle of vodka on this. Surrounded by this rubber. Then I clip it off to form this nice shape, okay, just by hand. Why this bottle, this specific bottle? Look at the shape. It's like a crystal. So this is why I use this bottle for this particular setup. It's very important to find a correct propping for your subject when you do advertising product photography. Then what do you need? You need to have 4 light sources. You can do it with 1 light source and then compose into 1 image in Photoshop, but I'll show you how to do this with 4 lights. Also, you will need to have a gel, any color, blue in my case. You need to have strip boxes, and you need to have a spotlight, and you need to have a diffuser. Okay, let's go and see the lighting setup. So the lighting. I have a plate of plexiglass sitting here. I use semi-transparent plexiglass. It's sort of like smoked. Let's start from the first light. Spotlight behind it. Honeycomb grid with a gel on a light. Let's do the first shot. Of course, the manual focus. It's already on focus. The second light is the strip box behind the diffuser. I'm going to put it on this side, and I put it the way that it covers this area. It covers this area because I need to have reflection from this area. Now two lights, right? You can see that we get reflection from this light. We can always increase the brightness of it if needed, but basically it creates nice reflections on a bottle, on the edges of the crystal of the bottle, and basically highlights everything. Okay, cool. Let's add few more pieces underneath it, since this is what will make it look nice. Okay, area, like a frosted area with ice. 1 more light is this, because I need to get reflections on other side. Okay. Now, the only thing that left is the label, right? The brand name, the vodka name, whatever. And for this, I'm going to use the light that I put underneath it, so it will penetrate through the plexiglass and highlight the bottle. Spotlight, okay, so I have a snoot light on a pico light, on brown color pico light. And you can see what we have, right? We do have now PHOTIGY vodka highlighted. We have some beautiful highlights on top of this, of the bottle. We have everything except maybe a few things like the top, where we have number 34, right? And for this, we can shoot it and highlight the top part of the bottle, right? So from this, we went to this, right? Okay, that was a really short version of the workshop that we had at Pro Club a while ago. And if you have any questions, please ask under this video on the comment area. I'll be happy to answer anything. And for those of you who want to learn all those pieces, all the nuances, all the tricks that unfortunately I can't show you on this short video, you're welcome to join Pro Club here, where I have everything, plus all the post-production is there. Okay? Our plan is to create more short videos, short version of workshops, Pro Club workshops for you, for our YouTube subscribers, for photographers who's not in Pro Club yet but want to learn what we do at PHOTIGY. If you like this video, if you want to encourage me to do more, like it, comment, share, and next week we'll post 1 more short video from one of our Pro Club workshops. Let's make it fun. Let's make it useful and educational for everyone. Goodbye.